I can be a YouTuber, but I don't have to record any videos myself. How beautiful is that? A lot of people are afraid to get into YouTube, and a major drawback is because they don't want to put their face in front of a camera, put themselves on the internet for millions of people to judge. Right? A lot of people are afraid of that, and I myself am too. I've started a personal channel in the past, trying to become a Logan Paul or David Dobrik. It didn't work out. And so I was like, okay, how do I monetize off of YouTube without putting my face in front of millions of people? And that's the beautiful thing about YouTube automation. You don't have to put your face in front of a camera. You have the whole entire process outsourced, and you create channels called faceless channels. I'm sure you've seen it. There's a lot of channels out there where you watch and there's no person, there's no personality to it, but you watch their videos and just gain a lot of value and content from it. These are the exact channels that I create. I outsource everything. I have script writers, voiceover artists, editors doing everything for me from start to finish. All I have to do is give them a video idea, right? And so if you are afraid of standing in front of a camera, and that's the major drawback for you for starting a YouTube channel, making some significant passive income, let me tell you, YouTube automation is the business model for you. You know, for me, it was game changing. I'm like, okay, I can be a YouTuber, but I don't have to record any videos myself. How beautiful is that?